How do these products influence a customer's workflow, right? One, as we said, is it makes humans more productive, right? So just imagine today, right? If you want to search for anything on our phone, if you want to search for a particular image, we can simply search it. It's very well organized. It's organized with respect to places and faces and everything, right? So it has made us more productive. Similarly, it also helps when it's difficult to write down the rules, right? Or what we call as sometimes greenfield products, right? So many a times it's not easy to write down rules, right? For example, high frequency trading or inventory allocation or predicting attrition or self-driving cars or predicting drugs, right? Or I mean, in AI drug discovery. In many of these places, we need AI to even figure out the patterns, right? It's very difficult for a human to figure out the underlying patterns. And that's where a lot of techniques like neural networks, etc., come into the play.